Well guys, exciting news. We just signed up to be the CMOR dealer down here in Islamorada and Tavernier. Just signed up, I think it was Friday we did it finally, honey, huh? So guys, I marked this spot last week when I was out here before. That's why there's a waypoint on there. But I had no idea there was a spot was here. And I was wanting to make a point before was, if you have a vessel view, it is a CMOR unit. And I tell you right now that the marks are on point. I'll show you right now. We're drifting over this thing right now. That's where we're drifting. Put the camera in the water, huh, and show them what we're looking at now. Guys, here's another area that is not marked on us. We found it last week with the charts. I mean, this is amazing. I had no idea this was here.